Hi guys, today I will show you how to use the welder module of the NAAP plugin. It means I will show you how to weld parts together in any model. I try to find a tree model because it has usually many parts inside. Okay, let's see this very popular one, the Sakura tree. It's extremely popular in the welder plugin. So if we select the model, we can get into the welder plugin and we see the name of the model, how many parts or objects it has inside, and it has just two scripts and some welds, and it has no primary parts. Let's see where are the scripts, because it's usually fine to check what kind of script it has inside. As I browse down in the hierarchy, I can see that this is the first script. It's the welding script. Like, we don't need it anymore because we will weld the parts. It's harmless. Just go down. Okay, it's very clear. I'm sure it won't have any more. Oops, it has one more script. It will be another weld script, I guess. Oh, it's deep down. Absolutely useless welds. Okay, it's another harmless welding script, but wait, what is it? Wow. Okay, weld model get fenv. It looks like an exploiter. Okay, so we will come back to this model, but for now we remove it. We try to find a better one. Oh, it's a popular one again, a realistic tree. It has 35 objects and one script. Let's check. What is this script? Oh my god, I have a feeling. Let's see. It's okay, it will be trash. Oh my god, really creative. Really creative. What is the okay, it's a welding script, but yeah, again. Wow, where it is. Oh, the same, yes. It's a kind of get env require. My god. Okay, so it's again an exploiter. Popular tree, but infected. Okay, let's find another one, like which one? Low poly palm tree. Oh, it's again. I like this. Oh, again one script. That is configuration. Oh my god. Configuration, it has one script. Let's find where we see one script. Oops, we got it. Yeah. Okay. This Q3. Two scripts. Oh, great one. Oh, I like it. Wow. I like free models. Okay. Infected game found. Okay, I like it. So, in the next video, I will show you how to use the welder. This one was just a presentation. Okay, so probably this will be the free model that I will really like, because it has no script at all, just some parts and some meshes, as we always want from a model. Okay, goodbye. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to watch my video about the weld plugin, because I will weld some parts together soon. Bye.